guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back for a new video. So today's video is a glow up with me. Take you with me to get my lashes done and my hair done, and also I'm going to show you guys at the end of the video how I get like my big bouncy like blow dry curls. So if you do want to know that, then stick around till like nearer the end of the video. I do get a lot of questions about my lashes and my hair and stuff over on my Instagram, so I thought I would film this for you guys. I will leave my Instagram here for you guys so you can check me out over on there as well. But if you aren't already subscribed to this channel, then definitely subscribe if you want to. I've got a lot more content coming up for you guys. So yeah, without further ado, let's just jump straight on into the video.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space, so brave and so stupid, just like the movies.
Okay guys, so this is 2 days after I showed you getting my lashes done. I was meant to show you yesterday, but I've been a little bit poorly, so yeah, I just skipped on that one because it wasn't the prettiest of sights. But yeah, my lashes are all done now. I'll just show you from this angle. Look how full and beautiful they are. I just love them so much. These are by far my favourite lashes I've ever had done. I've had quite a few done. My last two sets by Carly are just amazing. I wouldn't go anywhere else now. As I said, she does do brows and other treatments too, so I will leave her Instagram and stuff down below. I do need my brows doing desperately, but I was on Roaccutane for the past like 9-10 months, so you can't actually have waxing done straight after. Yeah, that's another video. If you guys did want to see, I could do my like Roaccutane story, like before and afters, because trust me, I have some before and afters. So yeah, if you guys do want to see that, then let me know down below. I'm not 100% sure how I feel about sharing it, but I would do if it would like help you guys, because I know how I felt when I was in that situation. But yeah, back onto the lashes. I'm really happy with them. So yeah, I think these are a Russian full set, not 100% sure, but as I said, I will just leave all Carly's information down below, so if you did have any questions on the lashes or anything like that, then just drop her a message over on Instagram. She is the loveliest girl. I've known her for quite a while now. She is just amazing at what she does. She is such a perfectionist. So yeah, even if you've been somewhere else before and you're not 100% like keen on what the person did, she literally like tailored these to my eye. So she just looked and thought what would look best on my eye, and this is what she came up with. So yeah, I think sometimes that's best for like the professional to say what they think would look best, because obviously they do this day in and day out. They have some sort of idea of what's going to suit your eye best. So yeah, I'm really happy with them. I actually love them. Ignore the hair, by the way, it's just slicked back. I'm getting that done in this video as well, so I think I'm just literally going to get it topped up. I just get like sort of a balayage sort of look, but I do get quite a lot of questions over on my Instagram about my hair and how I style my hair. So I'm going to show you guys some clips from the salon tomorrow when I get my hair done, and I will include those in a minute. And then I think after, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how I get the curls like in my Instagram pictures and stuff, because I get so many messages about how do I curl my hair. I have done a video on it before, but I had a lot shorter hair and I actually did it in a different way. So yeah, if you guys do want to see that, then stay tuned. But yeah, for now I will just see you guys tomorrow when I go to get my hair done.
So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters, stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever.
Okay guys, so you would have just seen the couple of clips of my hair being done and like the after results and stuff. This is it straight. I've literally just gone over with my big GHDs and like roughly straightened it, because when I curl it, I don't know, I kind of roughly straighten it first so it sort of tames it, because I have a lot of hair. So if you guys do have a lot of hair or it is a little bit like frizzy, then I probably would recommend to roughly straighten it first. That's just personal preference, but yeah, I just find it really helps with the finished result. So yeah, I've just gone a little bit blonder than before, especially around the front, and then next time, I think I said before, I am going to go back to really blonde. So yeah, I'm really excited for that. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I get my like blow dry type curled hair. I get a lot of questions over on Instagram about it. So yeah, I literally just use the big GHDs, which I really love. I don't have the small ones. I think because I've got a lot of hair, these just are a lot quicker for me, but I really love the curl that it gives. If you guys don't have these, then just like a large barreled tong would be fine. I could show you that in another video if you guys would want to see how I curl my hair with a barrel. I do have a video on it though, and I will link it down below, but it is with a slightly smaller barrel and when I have shorter hair. But if you guys are interested in that, then I will leave it down below for you guys. So first thing I do is just section my hair. So I do it in quite small sections, just so all of my hair is covered, especially at the bottom, because I find yeah, it just looks nicer and it holds a lot longer if I do it in smaller sections. Like, I will wash my hair and then curl it, and I won't have to do it again until I next wash my hair, so it does last a really long time. See, I'm just literally going to chuck that on top of my head, looking cute. Okay, so I tend to start around the back and work my way round the front, and I take probably a little bit bigger than like an inch, I would say. So about that much hair at a time. Bearing in mind I do have really thick hair, so if your hair is slightly thinner than mine, then you probably could take a little bit more hair. But all I do is I start right at the top of the hair and I curl it round straight away. You'll see in a second. But then instead of dragging the hair down, I sort of do this as I'm going down. It sort of lets air in. I don't know, I just find the curl comes out a lot nicer and bouncier. So yeah, I'll show you guys what I mean now. So yeah, I curl it over straight away, so it's like that. And then I sort of, can you hear? Open and close the straightener really slowly. I just find it helps, I don't know why. That's just how I like to curl my hair. But yeah, I just bring it down quite slow so the curl is really like bouncy. And yeah, it's just a better curl, I find. And then I grab the curl from the top and just spin it round how it is shaped, and then yeah, you've got a curl. I just sort of cool them down. I don't do this with all of them, but they do last a lot longer. As you can see, you've got sort of like a blow dried curl effect, and then obviously I do brush it out later. But yes, I'll just pop that one to the back and move round. So yeah, exactly the same for this one. Yeah, as I get to the end, then I start to just sort of drag it like so, hold the curl at the top, wrap it round, and then voila. So that is your second curl. This does, it looks like it's going to take ages, but once you get into it, it's like it's really speedy. It'll probably take me about half an hour to do my whole head, but I do have a lot of hair, so if you guys have less hair than me, then obviously it will take you less time. But yeah, they should just look something like that at the moment. Again, just pop it to the back of your head for now, and then I'll do the last one on this side, curl it round at the top, and then just open and close the straightener as you go down the curl slowly. There was some shorter bits in that one, so it's probably going to be quite a bit shorter than the others. Make sure it's cooled down. They get nowhere near as hot with these though, I find. Rather than doing it with a tong, I find my hair is so much less hot. Like, I can hold it straight away, whereas if I did it with a tong, my hands would be burning if I touched it. So I think it is definitely like a better way of doing it for your hair. I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, I'm not a hairdresser, but that's just what I find for myself. So I pop those around the back like that, and I will just leave them there as I work around my head. I will just finish off this layer, I will speed it through, and then I will come back to you guys as I get further up the head so I can show you how I do it then. Okay, so I've done that whole bottom layer, I've just flipped them to the front, and then I'm gonna do another layer and I will separate the straight from the curly hair. My finger is stuck in my hairband. Okay, so I'll probably do this layer slightly bigger because I don't want to be here all day, quite frankly. But yeah, so a good chunk of hair I will leave down. I'll probably do this in 4 sections, but again, if you guys do have thinner hair than me, you probably could get away with 3. So yeah, I'm just going to pop that on top again, and then The easiest way I find to do this when you section your hair so it doesn't all get muddled is put the curls you've already done to the front, leave the straight bit to the back, and then just pick that up, push the curls to the back, separate your hair like so, and bring that to the front. Top tip. So yeah, I will just brush through these bits now. So yeah guys, obviously I'm not a hairdresser, but yeah, this is just how I like to do my hair, so I thought I would share it with you guys. I'm just going to do the exact same thing as before, take the same sort of size sections, work from the back, and yeah, I'm just going to speed through this because you saw me do this a minute ago. I'll probably speed through this bit and then I will start chatting to you guys again when I'm doing the top section, because I know people find that one a lot more difficult because obviously a lot of people have shorter layers, so yeah, it's harder to sort of sort them out at the top. So yeah, I will check back in with you guys when I'm at the top of my head. Okay, we're here at the top layer, so I'm going to take this one down. My hair's not too short on top now, but there obviously will be shorter parts, so I'm just gonna bring this down. So I normally wear my hair more of a side parting, so I'm just gonna sort that out first. I mean, I'm really rough with it. It's not like a particular parting, we're just gonna do it roughly. And then obviously we can see the bits that are still straight. So what I do with these is I don't start the curl till further down because I think it looks quite like bulky on the top of my head. So I will show you. I sort of straighten the top bit like so. I normally do this like a couple of times just to smooth that over. And then I sort of start the curl about here. And then, yeah, just wrap it round once and pull it down like so. And then, yeah, you've got that. I just grab the curl and wrap it how I have been, and then just sort of leave that to drop out a bit, because I don't want it to be too bouncy on the top of my head. So yeah, I would just literally go around all of the pieces and do the exact same thing. I think the key to this bit is smoothing out the top, so it looks like smooth and put together, and it makes it look more like a blow dry type style, which I quite like. So yeah, I think that's definitely like a really important part to this bit. And then the bits around the front, I don't even really curl, I just sort of like flick, you see? So yeah, I'm going to do that on this side as well, and then I'll show you how I brush them out and what I brush them out with. Okay guys, so I have finished curling it all. As you can see, it is very curly, but I do actually think it kind of looks like blow dry-esque. You could leave it like this if you wanted to. Obviously I think your curls would stay longer because obviously they would drop out a bit more. Sorry, I'm just looking in my mirror. But yeah, the thing that I do brush my curls out with is this comb from Primark. So it is just like a wide toothed comb. I think they do a pack of 2 for £2. It might even be £1, you know, they're so cheap. But honestly, like the best thing to brush out your curls with. So I literally just start from the bottom and like gently brush them out. I always get a little bit nervous before I do it because I'm like, I've just spent all this time curling my hair. What if they just don't go right? But they always do. So yeah, I'm just going to show you that now. I think this is like a really key part to get in the sort of like blow dry look curls that are a little bit looser than this. But as I say, this does look really cool. I would keep them like this if I was going out for the day, and then maybe brush them out a little bit later on. But yeah, I'm just going to brush them out now and show you guys how I do that. Okay, so I literally just start like from the bottom and start brushing them out. Obviously you see they do start to change shape and yeah, just loosen up a little bit. By the way, when I wash my hair, I do put like some Moroccan or coconut oil in it at first, so it is a lot easier to brush, so it's not knotty or anything, because obviously otherwise you're just going to be pulling at your hair. But yeah, so I just go through it until I'm happy with like the looseness and stuff that they are. To be honest, I'm not going to brush them out too much today because I've got a lot of filming and stuff to do, so I want them to stay curly. But yeah, you can see the difference between that and that. You can obviously break them up more if you want to, sort of just play around with them, run your fingers through them. The key thing is you need to wait for them to cool before brushing them out as well, because then they've sort of like set in place. I think if you did it while they're still hot, you're going to lose a lot of the curl. So yeah, definitely make sure that they have cooled down first. Okay guys, so that is how I get like my bouncy blow dry type curls that I always have over on my Instagram. I hope you guys did find it helpful and I didn't blabber on too much. But yeah, this whole video I just kind of wanted to do a slightly different video for me. I really enjoy watching these types of videos. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy. I will leave, as I said before, all the information for my lashes down below. I will leave Carly's Instagram down there, so you can just direct message her any questions or just give her a follow over on Instagram. Or if you guys want to book an appointment with her, all of her information is on her Instagram. So yeah, you'll be able to find it easily over there. I will leave who did my hair down below as well. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.